here at Lake Louise, which is one of the locations that you can come to if you are coming to our workshop here in Banff. You can take some wedding photos. We don't have a couple here, but you can imagine if I was in a wedding dress right here and I was marrying my Hoga. How beautiful would that be? And then it's just in your portfolio. And then you book $100,000 in weddings next year because people are like, holy crap, you shot an elopement in Banff? And then they read your blog post and they're like, well, it was a workshop, but you take nice photos, so we're gonna hire you anyways. I'm Taylor Jackson, and I'm in Banff National Park, Canada. And you could be too, if you come to our workshop. Beautiful, beautiful Banff. You should come to the workshop, and you get to also be here and take photos. And not only do you get to come to this city, which is pretty darn cool, you get to go to a bunch of other locations as well. Yahoo, you've arrived in Calgary. It's time to rent a car and drive to Banff. Or you can join the Facebook group and find some people to carpool with. Let's go. And now here we are, Grand Rockies, which is the home base for the workshop. We're gonna be having lunch and breakfast here and then getting in our buses and actually going out into the world. For the workshop, we have 2 buses. And you get to just be transported magically to all of these locations. You don't have to pay for parking. $85 for parking. And you take photos. Everything's nice out here. It's just a beautiful place to be. There's a variety of instructors that are amazing. Sam Hurd is coming. Nicole Ashley is coming. Carolyn Tran is coming. As well as Scott Robert Lim. Myself, I'll be there. My wife Lindsay, she'll be there. Jacob?
I'll be there.
He'll be here.
Oh, Jacob's coming?
So if you want to get your wedding photography on, you want to build that portfolio, you are going to have a lot of couples and a lot of different setups to choose from to make your portfolio go from 6 to midnight. No? Whether you are a working professional or you're just getting into the industry, there's going to be a lot of content here for you to really accelerate your growth and also in a correct direction as well. That if you are someone that's been in the industry for a long time and you haven't shot destination weddings yet, or you haven't created that destination portfolio, this will be an incredible experience for you. So come hang out. And I think most of the fun's going to be actually just hanging out. Obviously, you're going to generate portfolio, but the people that you're going to meet are going to become lifelong friends. A lot of my friends in the industry I met very early on, and when you're at the same stage as someone else and you can watch each other grow in different non-competitive locations. So if you meet someone, they're from Seattle and you're from Calgary, all of a sudden you can kind of trade information and you're not taking money away from your business. So it is very, very cool to meet people in the industry. And now anywhere that you go, maybe you'll have a friend there, or maybe you can visit them and set up shoots in each other's cities. And if you are interested, there is a link in the description below that you can go and check out. And there's the main benefit is the fact that you just get to walk into these beautiful styled shoots in the mountains and add them to your portfolio. And also it's a business expense and you get to write it off. Come on out, it'll be fun. Goodbye. I'll go this way, I guess. See you later. See you here. Bye.